out number directly. You know, in some cases, if you ask for their number, 1688 will do what? They can restrict your account. Maybe you want to spam, right? But there are some professional ways to do this thing. After you must have clicked on this thing, it will pop out the supplier's number directly, even without you asking. Now, let me do that. If I'm to click on this guy now, let me click. All right, I've clicked on it. I think it's my network. Good. This is the supplier's number direct. Alright, beautiful set of people, welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can do mini importation yourself, how you can make it easy for yourself. And I am your importation coach, I am your importation expert. My name is Samuel Joshua and this is the voice of Zion Hub Logistics. So what we do here is we train people on how they can do mini importation business for themselves, right? So if you are watching my video for the very first time, we train people. We are also available for mentorship if you want us to mentor you on anything that have to do with China importation at large. And we are also available for procurement. If you are looking for a reliable procurement agent, we charge as low as 5% of everything you are buying, and we can also help you ship your items down to your country, right? So if you want us to help you do procurement, we are available for sourcing, training, mentorship, consultation, and early pay funding. So you can reach out to us on WhatsApp. You can reach out to us on Instagram as well. So, and if you want to join our groups, we have groups on Facebook, we have groups on WhatsApp, and we have groups on Telegram. So you can ask any questions there. You'll be able to meet other people that will be able to help you resolve this. And we also post things there on a daily basis, right? So these are things you don't really want to miss. Okay, so that's having been said, in today's tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. To subscribe to our channel is always free of charge, right? So in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how you can get your supplier's number very sharp, like in a very quick one. Maybe you are trying to order for a product and the supplier is not online, and you want to reach out to the supplier very, very fast. Like, you don't want to waste time, you want to order that thing on time, maybe before they go for holiday or before they start doing anything. It's very, very simple. I'm just going to be showing you the simple method to it. So let's dive into it. Now let's assume I want to buy this S9 watch here. Let me click on it so I can show you the full details. After, you must have checked all the necessary things that you wanted to check about this product here. If you are okay, let me just look for an item, a very straightforward item, right? So let's assume you want to buy this Samsung S24. You want to buy, okay, I think the picture is loading there. So now, if you're okay with this, maybe you've checked all the necessary things that you needed about this product, and you are okay with it, like you are very much satisfied with this product. So you want to consult or you want to ask questions with this supplier, and you want to quickly get their number. For those who need their number and you want to communicate with them, maybe outside of this 1688 app. Now, another thing is that these people are not on WhatsApp. I'm not saying they are not using WhatsApp. Maybe 20% of 100 are the ones using WhatsApp. Our own WhatsApp is their own WeChat, so they prefer chatting on WeChat, right, rather than WhatsApp. In some cases, if you save their number, it's not going to be available on WhatsApp, but if you search it on WeChat, you will quickly get them on WeChat, and they are very fast in responding in WeChat. So if you want to get a WeChat account, I've recorded a video on it, on how you can register a WeChat account without scanning a QR code, right? That's not where we are going. Now let's get into it? How do you get their number even without chatting them at all, consulting them for the first time, going into their DM for the first time? The first thing you want to do, the first step you want to take is just to come here. After you must have checked your reviews, everything, and you are satisfied with the product, just click on this chat icon here. So I'm going to be clicking on that now, right? So these chat icons can also give you a access to make inquiry. Now if I'm to click on this guy, this simply means I'm making inquiry about this product, right? In some cases, some supplier will by default, maybe by default, they will leave their WeChat number here. You can easily get their WeChat number there. But in another way around, if you want the real name of the real number of this supplier, is very, very simple. Just come to this side here and just click on, even though you haven't chat them at all, just click on this guy here. It will bring out their WeChat number directly. You know, in some cases, if you ask for their number, 1688 will do what? They can restrict your account. Maybe you want to spam, right? But there are some professional ways to do this thing. After you must have clicked on this thing, it will pop out the supplier's number directly, even without you asking. Now let me do that. If I'm to click on this guy now, let me click. All right, I've clicked on it. I think it's my network. Good. This is the supplier's number directly. So you can easily do what? You want to click on this blue guy here to do what? To dial it or you save it. If I'm to click on it now, it will automatically take it to my dialed call. So let me click on this blue now, you will see now that it will take it. Now this is where it takes me to. So you can easily save it directly on your phone and look for the number on WeChat. Now let me practicalize it. Let me copy this supplier's number now and head over to my WeChat to go and look for it on WeChat, if it's going to be available on WeChat or not. This is my WeChat now. Let me quickly open this guy so you are going to understand that this thing is what is fully working. Now let me look for the supplier now. Let me just search for this guy. So I'm going to be seeing if this number is on WeChat or not. So let me just search. So if I'm to search now, in some case you can see now it's telling me that this user does not exist. Right now, this simply means that this number is not registered on WeChat, but that does not mean it's applicable for all of them. Now let me go back to my 1688 to show you guys something there. I want to show you guys something. Now this is the number we copied. Let me just wait for this guy to come up, right? So okay, let me just click on this guy here, right? So now this does not mean that for you not to get that number, this number on WeChat does not mean that is not available on WeChat. Remember that this supplier has already given us a number before, which is this one. So you can just go straightly and chat this one on WeChat. Now let me just copy this one and write it out, and let's go and search it on WeChat if it's going to be available on WeChat or not. You are going to see that this one is going to be available on WeChat. Since that first one is not there, definitely we are going to get this one. So let's head over to our WeChat again and search for this supplier's number there. So let me just okay, let me cancel this guy, then let me paste this new one here and let me search for it. You will see that I'm going to be getting this number WeChat. So let me search, let me see if we have. You can see that this number is on WeChat, right? So if I'm to message this guy now, if I'm to add him, let me add him. You will see that it's going to go successful. Let me click on send, right? I'm sending a friend request now. You can see it's sending. Let me wait for this guy. Now you can see it has sent successfully, and once he see my invitation, he's going to accept it. So that's this very simple trick to ask for supplier's number. Now you can see that we have two numbers here. Now let me go and click on another store. I don't want this video to be a very long one. How many minutes? We are in 8 minutes. All right, I'm going to be rounding up by 10 minutes. I just wanted to be sure. I like making my videos a straightforward tutorial. Let me just click on this guy. If at all we are going to be seeing something like that, let me click on this chat icon and let me make inquiry about this. If we are going to be seeing a default message. Okay, there's nothing like that. So let me click on this guy now to get the supplier's number. Let me click on this guy. So if I'm to click on it, you will see that the number will pop up. You can see that this is the supplier's number now. So you can just follow the same process to it. It's very simple and straightforward, right? So if you want a reliable supplier's contact, maybe on WeChat and on WhatsApp, I sell their contact. You can do what to reach out to me. I sell a supplier. If you are selling a, I have their supplier, I have their supplier's number, and I have their store link. Then if you are into bag, I sell bags contacts and other contacts as well. So this is a very straightforward tutorial, and I hope you find value from watching this tutorial today, right? So please don't forget to like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe as you are watching that tutorial. All right, so thank you guys for watching this very tutorial today. I will see you in my next tutorial.